In this video, I'll show you how to update your Panasonic TV. There are two different kinds of Panasonic TVs and I'll show you what to do for each of them. If you have an Android Panasonic TV, you need to select the settings icon on the screen, which is on the top right corner, the small wheel. Then select Device Preference or About in the next menu. And then System Software Update. From there, you'll be able to search and install any updates that are pending for your Panasonic TV. If you have another type of Panasonic TV, I'll show you what to do. So first, you need to press on the menu button on the remote control. Then you should select Setup. Then on the next menu, System Menu. Then on the other menu, System Update. And finally, select System Update Search Now. It will search, and if there is an update, you'll be able to install it. You can also install the update through a USB stick. To do this, you need to go on the Panasonic website, and I have put a link in the description. Then you need to select which kind of year your Panasonic TV is made. Then select which region you are in. And finally, select the specific model of your Panasonic TV. Finally, it will tell you step by step what to do, and you will be able to download the firmware so you can install the update using a pen drive on your Panasonic TV. If you're still having issues with your TV after the update, just unplug it from the wall, wait 5 minutes, and then simply plug it back. This will solve many issues that you can have with a Panasonic TV. So thanks a lot for watching. Please leave a like, a comment if this was helpful. Also check the links in the descriptions, and I will see you in the next one.